Vivo X200 Ultra with photography kit launching on April 21. Will it come to India? Vivo X200 Ultra and the X200S will be making their debut in China later this month. The launch date for the new additions to the X200 series has been confirmed, and we also know that Vivo will bring the Watch 5 smartwatch, the Vivo Pad 5 Pro and Pad SE tablets to the event. In the meantime, the Vivo X200 Ultra's design and color options have been revealed. A few important aspects of the next generation of tablets and smartwatches have also been confirmed by Vivo. In a Weibo post, the company revealed that the Vivo X200 Ultra and the Vivo X200S will launch in China on April 21 at 7 p.m. local time, 4:30 p.m. IST. The upcoming smartphones will be accompanied by the Vivo Pad 5 Pro, Vivo Pad SE, and Vivo Watch 5. In another Weibo post, Vivo product manager Han Boxio stated that the Vivo X200 Ultra will have a rough splicing finish. It features a sizable, circular rear camera module in the center. The handset has a silver appearance. According to leaked photos, the Ultra model will also be available in a red hue. It will come with a dedicated camera button and the Vivo V3 and VS1 imaging chipsets. It is anticipated that the Vivo X200 Ultra will be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite SoC and pack a 6,000 mAh battery that supports 90W wired and 50W wireless charging. In addition to a 200MP periscope telephoto camera, it might have a 6.82-inch 2K LTPO BO micro quad curved display. The phone will be able to withstand water and dust thanks to IP68 and IP69 ratings. Swipe left for next video. Talking about the Vivo X200S, the device could use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 chipset. Anticipated to have a 6.67-inch 1.5K LTPS display and a triple rear camera setup with a periscope telephoto shooter. Origin OS 5, which is based on Android 15, will be included with the Vivo X200S and X200 Ultra. Similarly, the Vivo Pad 5 Pro could use the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 SoC, feature an Ultra HD original color display with eye protection, and Origin OS 5 based on Android 15. At the same time, the Vivo Pad SE will feature a 12.3-inch screen. The Vivo Watch 5 weighs roughly 32 g and is confirmed to run on Blue OS. It has a battery life of up to 22 days. Latest blogs.